Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, April the 11th. As per usual, this is a little series that'll show you behind the scenes and type of things you can expect to see from us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. This week we have a code for you, which will give you 35% off our remaining Love Always group by 3 Wishes, which includes this fabric right here. So be sure to check out somewhere in this video for that code. And without further ado, let's get right into it.
You wanna dance?
Alright, you have made it to the point where I give you the code for 35% off all our remaining Love Always group from 3 Wishes. This code is good for 1 week and it'll expire on April 18th, so be sure to use it by then to get what's remaining from this group. The code, as you can see, is always35. So if you type this code into our website, I'll link it in the description, you will be able to get 35% off all our remaining Love Always group by 3 Wishes. And that does it for this week. Thank you all for watching so much. If you're here and you haven't gotten the code yet, you went a little too far, be sure to go back and check it out. It is already passed. Thank you all for watching so much. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Thank you all for keeping up with the series. It really does mean a lot to us. And be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the little bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we will see you next week.